What I'd like you to do is make a map of, I don't know, 10 or so locations, however many you think are appropriate, for where you are and your school and where you're staying. So I'll give you the link to my maps, but here's an example. I'm in my maps right now. Up here I can give the title, so I've given it Otemon Sojiji. Here's a little map to show you my world around Sojiji. Save. And I can change how the map looks. So different options. And I'll leave it like this, so it's easy right now. But I've added 3 things. So first one is entry to Sojiji campus. Here's my future new office. Here is gym and shopping. And if I scroll down here, this is where I go to the gym and do some grocery shopping, as there are some restaurants I sometimes eat here as well. It's only 2 minutes from Sojiji campus. And here's this information. This is where I have all of my classes in this building. And this building is under construction and we'll move into it in 2025. And I can move the map. And I can go down here. And I'm going to add a new marker. And I'll come down and click. And I'll name it. And some information. And just to make the color a little bit better, I'm going to change it to something brighter. So I'll go orange and save. And now I have it here. And I can zoom out. So I could even go, further away if I want to. And I'm going to go over here and add another marker here. Save it. And again, I'm going to change my color just a little brighter. So, okay. So now if I scroll out, I can see I have gym and shopping. I have my office. I have the train station. And I've gone even far away and I have my favorite walking path. And these are all listed up here. So you just need to add a marker and mark wherever you want to mark. And then give your description. Give a name and description. Give a name and description. How about 10 items for now? I mean, it could be restaurants. It could be the different buildings on campus you use. Could be your house. If you don't want to pinpoint your house directly, you can just put the pin in the street and say, I live close to here. Stores you go shopping at. Any place you've gone to have fun or to do something different. But you can see the map, there's no limit to the map size. And all your titles will be right here, so quite easy to do. And when you want to submit the map to me, you're going to share. And you're going to say, anyone with a link can view. And you will just copy the link. Link is copied, and then put that into Canvas. And I'll have it, and then I'll upload it to our website. So here, I'll just go over here for an example. And I'll paste the link. And you can see this is Otemon Sojiji. and here are my points. So just to share where you are and make it as detailed as you can. I look forward to seeing more about where you are.